natural health for beginners.
Discover the art of crafting your own face cleansing oil with precise quantities for effective and natural skincare. This DIY tutorial offers an easy step-by-step guide to creating a nourishing cleansing oil tailored to your skin type. Benefits of face cleansing oil: removes makeup and impurities effectively. Deeply hydrates and nourishes the skin. Balances oil production for all skin types. Promotes a healthy and radiant complexion. Ingredients with exact quantities: carrier oils, jojoba oil, 2 tablespoons, suitable for all skin types. Sweet almond oil, 1 tablespoon, nourishing for dry skin. Astringent oil, castor oil, 1 tablespoon, helps remove impurities, adjust based on skin type. Essential oils, optional lavender oil, 3 drops, soothing and calming. Tea tree oil, 2 drops, ideal for acne-prone skin. Tools required: a glass mixing bowl. A clean, dark glass bottle for storage. A small funnel. Instructions: in the glass bowl, combine the jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, and castor oil. Add the essential oils if desired, ensuring they suit your skin's needs. Mix the oils gently with a clean spoon. Use the funnel to transfer the oil blend into the glass bottle. Seal tightly. How to use the cleansing oil: apply a small amount of the cleansing oil to your dry face. Massage in circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes, focusing on areas with makeup or impurities. Dampen a soft cloth with warm water and gently wipe away the oil. Follow up with a toner and moisturizer for a complete skincare routine. Why make your own cleansing oil? Tailored to your skin's needs. Free from harsh chemicals. Cost-effective and eco-friendly. Try this easy recipe and enjoy the transformative benefits of a natural cleansing oil. Don't forget to share your results and subscribe for more DIY skincare tips.